Okay, guys, it is here. I don't know why FedEx would just leave it like this in front of everybody's view for them to take it, but yep, guys, it is here. This is my aluminum radiator for my Jeep Grand Cherokee. I'm gonna unbox this and let you guys know. I ordered this due to the fact that mine is leaking, and usually in any car I own, once the stock radiator gives out, the plastic one, I usually go aluminum. This way, it doesn't matter how long I keep the car for. I just know the aluminum ones are not gonna break or burst or anything. Okay, so I'm gonna try to do this without removing, as you know, you have to remove the grill, the bumper. You have to take apart literally the entire front end, but I'm choosing not to do that. So I started with removing the plastics. Sorry guys, lighting is bad here. Removing the plastics. I removed the plastics that's around here. Now I'm gonna work on taking the radiator support out. Once I get that out, I'll come back to you guys. I'm not moving the grill. I just popped it up from here. And I'm gonna keep you posted. Let's see if we can get the radiator out without having to remove the front end. That's the goal. Okay, so here's an update just in case. The videos that's on YouTube, I'm gonna add his link, but he didn't really fully explain. So just in case you guys know, there's 4 10s right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you need to get rid of the plastic clip that's hold on the window washing fluid. It's an 8mm on mine that holds the radiator overcoolant. Then there's a that's 8 right here. Then there's a 10mm here. Please hold. You have to push the grill forward, and there's a 10mm there on the side. Same thing with here. You just have to pull it forward, and then there's a 10mm there, and 2/8 to take off the hood latch, as we can see, and then the 13s, the 2 13s that hold that bar, and it should come out. Okay guys, it was actually not as hard as I thought. It's definitely possible, just gotta have a lot of patience. These right here, you're gonna have to slightly bend them. This is my Jeep, so I didn't really care. I'm a DIY guy. Gotta be careful not to bend these too much though. They can crack. These on this side, same thing. I literally just have to bend this one a little bit up. I usually like to hold it on this side and then bend it so nothing cracks here. And yeah, once you bend them, you get it out. Here's the aluminum radiator. There's a 3-row. It's the original. Mine has 210,000 miles, so I'm not even mad. It had to be done. You know, these things give out. But yeah, huge difference. Look at that, huge difference. Should keep my truck a lot cooler. Okay, so I have the radiator in, the aluminum 3-row radiator that I bought from eBay. I'll provide a link. I'm having a little, oops, don't worry about that. I'm having a little problem here. This is where the stock original one was. As you can see, it is a lot thicker. The design is different. You know, these companies never get stuff like this right. They got the other parts right though, but I took the hose from the overflow hose, which didn't reach anyways. I gotta go buy like 2 feet of this. I took the stock one, the one that the car came with. I cut it and I put it like this. This way it can dance, it can move this way, but you know, at least it's better than nothing for the time being. So once it's stable, it's not gonna really move. But I did the same thing to this side, and now just the reverse steps. I'll let you know how hard it is to actually get this back in. I did not take the horns off, so you know, We're learning as we go here. Okay, everything's installed. I'm just missing the plastics, but you guys get it. Update, you do not reuse these at all. So, you know, I put these on, then this right here, the front radiator support wouldn't bolt all the way down, but took these off, left the little custom that I showed earlier in the video on, just in case if it vibrates this way. And yep, it worked. Literally worked.